Before we get into the fun part of this project, I do have to explain what happened here. Somehow I lost a few first minutes of the footage, but don't worry, I'll walk you through exactly how I made the base for this piece. So first I took shredded cardboard and let it soak in water until it softened completely. Then I mixed all of that into an old bucket of all-purpose joint compound to create this really thick sculptable texture. After that I used air-dry clay to fill in any weird gaps, move things out, and add a little more structure where I needed it. Honestly, this whole project started with basically junk. Cardboard, leftover compound, random materials, and turned it into something that feels so vintage and beautiful. And now that all the base is finished, let's get into the rest of the craft.
Fact or fiction, you picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic, you're so dramatic. It's automatic, you turn it on like magic. What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? Better again. Don't deliver, truth it tastes so bitter. Walking a fine line, living a white lie. You're wasting my time, waiting for a bright side. The plot, get you in a fade with the feelings. This is all we got. It should have been fucking easy, well turns out it's not. Can someone please stop the bleeding till you call the shots? We're staring up at the ceiling, did we lose the plot? Get you in a fade with the feelings. This is all we got. It should have been fucking easy, well turns out it's not. Can someone please stop the bleeding? I wanna know what you know. Let it go, totally out of control. Would you just be fucking honest with yourself? Would you just be fine? that turned to lovers. Yeah, we fell into each other, but our love burned out like a cigarette. And I'm wishing that I would've said, I hope you're happier now, now that I'm gone and moving on. I know you wish I was burning in hell, you know you are just a memory left. And I still think about you sometimes when I'm fucked up in the middle of the night. I know you wish I was burning in hell, but I still wish you well. I hope you're happier now. I remember the cabin in Tennessee. We got so high we cried, and you looked like heaven in the passenger seat. But life just passed us by, 'cause we weren't meant to be. But you still got a piece of me. Ooh, and I know you hate my guts, but I swear I mean it all. I hope you're happier now, now that I'm gone and moving on. I know you wish I was burning in hell, you know you are just a memory left. And I still think about you sometimes when I'm fucked up in the middle of the night. You wish I was burning in hell, but I still wish you well. I hope you're happier now. 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 I hope you're Can't kill what I've become. I scream until I'm numb. Now with the summer skies, you're gone. There's nothing I can do or say to get to you. Now I don't know where I belong. I'm screaming at the ceiling. Every word's a twisted feeling. Feelings I can't let go. Oh, the thunder keeps calling. The raindrops won't stop falling. Falling down in a hole. Let love lies in my head, 'cause I fell for all you said. Too easy. Dark clouds won't let me forget. I don't know why I let it get to me. It gets to me. 'Cause I think of you every time it rains. One drop is all it takes, and it's pouring, it's pouring, it's pouring, it's pouring, it's pouring, it's pouring, keeps pouring and pouring. I'm screaming at the ceiling. Every word's a twisted feeling. Feelings I can't let go. And the thunder keeps calling. The raindrops won't stop falling. Falling down in a hole. fact or fiction? You picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic, you're so dramatic. It's automatic, you turn it on like magic.
Alright, and here is our finished Trinket jar and tray set. I'm honestly so in love with how these turned out. The aged details, the soft metallic touches, and all those little antique elements really made it feel like something you discover tucked away in an old vanity. I hope this video gave you some inspiration to create something beautiful out of the ordinary and make your space feel a little more magical and personal. If you enjoyed crafting with me today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know what kind of vintage-inspired DIYs you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!